guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing this Disney's Doorables. You can collect up to 78 of them, and they're super cute. There's some of them on the back. So this box, you can get 5, 6, or 7. Right there, it says that. And I don't know what else I was gonna say. So let's open this thing up. So this comes off, and then this door. So this has like little cute things on it. And then see that? The numbers. And then this one, you open it. You have to like get this little thing. And then you just like pull it open on the side and the bottom, and then there's little doors. Let's see if I can do this. Behind this first door, there's this little thing that comes out of it, and you just open it. And I got Peter Pan, and they're super tiny. Look at him. He's so cute. I love him. I'm gonna put him back in his house. I could do that. The struggle is real here. Okay, second door. Who are we gonna get? Who are we gonna get? I can open it. That would help. Always struggling. Alright. Oh, it's Flynn Rider from Tangled. Isn't he so cute? Oh my goodness, he's so tiny. Okay, my first house box. Okay, it's opening. We're gonna put him back in his home. That's where he lives, in this box. Okay, we're gonna go into this one. I just love Disney stuff so much. Okay. This is an elephant. What are you from? Hold, please. I don't know what he's from. I'm terrible. Where are you from? Tell me your secrets. Tell me your secrets. I don't know where he's from. Oh no. Terrible. I'll have to look this up because this is just sad. I have no idea if I've even seen this movie, and if I have, I'm sorry I forgot you. But he's cute, and he's gonna go back in his home and be sad that I forgot about who he was. Okay, now we're going into this box. We're gonna pull this one out. Oh my gosh, I got Winnie the Pooh! He's so cute, and he's velvety and soft. He's like those little mini bears, like back in the 90s, like early 90s, that you got, that were like soft and cute and smell like this. But that's him. He's so cute. He's gonna go back in his home. And then I'm gonna open this big box. So in this one I got 5. In this big box there's this little clear disc that they like can stand on. Alright, we're gonna open the number 5. Of course I can't get the last one out. Oh, it's little Daisy Duck. She's so cute and tiny. I love her. And then you can like put her on this little stand here, and then she sits. How cute. Look at her eyelashes. Look at those lashes. They're so adorable. And her giant feet. In this box I got 5, which is the lowest number you can get, but that is okay because they are all just so gosh darn cute. And then they all live in this little box. I mean, obviously they don't have to stay in this box, but you could keep them in this box, or you could put them out all cute on a little display and all that good stuff. These are the Doorables, and they are adorable. I absolutely love Disney. My checklist is buried. Okay, guys. So this is the list of the ones you can get. Oh, I'm so weird. That elephant's from Zootopia, and I've seen Zootopia. So he is rare, that elephant. Flynn Rider is common. Winnie the Pooh is special edition. What else did I get? Daisy Duck is common. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got Peter Pan. Peter Pan is common. So I got a special edition, mostly common, and one rare. I will take it, because they're all just too cute anyways. It doesn't even matter to me. You guys should comment below if you have ever bought these. They're just so cute and just a fun little thing to collect, I think. And if you love Disney, why not? Like, you can have like a million little cute figures of Disney characters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and love Disney. And you should comment below your favorite Disney character, actually. That'd be cool. I would like to know that about you guys. Because who doesn't want to know everyone's favorite Disney characters, right? I don't know what mine is. I have to think about this for a second. My favorite Disney character. I don't know. My cat is being crazy. It's probably between Cinderella, Ariel. I really like Marshmallow from Frozen. He's really cute. I don't know if I have just one favorite. Comment like your top 1 or 5 favorite Disney characters below, because it's hard to pick one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys!